Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you two mistakes that you should avoid. The first one is wanna to. When you use wanna, you shouldn't add to after wanna because wanna already has to in it. Example, you can't say I wanna to go. The correct way is I wanna go. You can't say I want to talk with you. No, you should say I want to talk with you or I want to talk with you, but not I want to talk with you. You shouldn't say I want to tell you, but you should say I want to tell you or I want to tell you. The second one is gonna. You shouldn't say I gonna to come. No, you should say I'm gonna come. You shouldn't say I gonna to tell you. You should say I'm gonna tell you. You shouldn't say I'm gonna to try, but you should say I'm gonna try. Thank you for watching that video. If you like the video, I want you to subscribe and don't forget to hit the bell for notification. See you on the next video like that.